up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So today I'm back with another pick a color collab video. I'm so excited to do these videos. It's really fun to do these every month. This collab was started by the amazing Amethyst Winters, and it also has obviously me, Jen Amethyst Winters, Desi from Desi's Corner, Naomi from Beauty Dreams by Naomi, Andy from Beauty with Andy, Andrea from Pretty as a Peacock, Lisa from Banning, Panning and Beyond, and Teresa from Teresa MK83. And it's just a great group of women, and do a really quick rundown in case you've never seen it before. We each pick a color, and it can be any like random color, although this month it was themed for spring, but it doesn't always have to be a theme. And we all have to manage to use all 8 of the colors that we pick on our face. It used to just be on our eyes, but as the group's gotten bigger, we obviously expanded it to our face because it's really hard sometimes to get 8 very different colors on your eyes to make kind of a cohesive look. It can happen. We've all done it, but sometimes it doesn't. So I am really, really excited to do this month's collab. We picked some pretty nice colors, so I'm just gonna go through them really fast, let you know who picked what, and then we're just gonna get into doing a look. So I'll start obviously with my color first. I picked pastel yellow, so I thought it would be fun to go into, so I chose pastel yellow, so I actually picked Daybreak from Terramoons Cosmetics as my yellow that I'm going to use. It's a really pretty color. This one here. And then Lisa picked matte hot pink, so I'm actually going in to my Kimchi Beauty's Mango Tango palette, and I'm going in to the color strawberry right here. It's this color right here. So that. Andrea picked a mid-tone orange, so I'm sticking with the Mango Tango palette, and I'm going into the color Mango right here. And then Andy picked turquoise, so I'm actually still sticking with this palette, and I'm going into the sky blue here. And then Desi picked an icy blue color, so I'm going to go in to, my nails are making it hard for me to like grab stuff, but I'm going into this color right here. It's from Amy Hearts Beauty, which is no longer in business. And it's this shimmer right here. I was able to get it out. This is called Wraith. And then Teresa picked a purple with a blue shimmer. So I'm actually sticking with Amy Hearts Beauty, and I'm going with a color called Moon. It looks like this. Then Naomi picked baby pink, so I'm going into this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte pink in Babycakes. And I love this color because, well, it's a pretty, like, you know, matte pink color. So that's, you actually can barely see it on my skin tone. But the reason I also, like, really love, a reason I really love that color too is because my little cat Layla, I'll pop a picture of her right here. I call her Babycakes. So when I saw that Anastasia Beverly Hills had a single in Babycakes, I had to have it because she's my little Babycakes. So yeah, I'm such a dork. And last but not least, our fearless leader, Jen, just chose a glitter. She said it could be any glitter. She just wanted to use a glitter. So I am going with, this is a new Mulitchrome glitter flake from Beauty Bar Baby. And this is in Outer Space Nymph. And it kind of looks like this. Let me see if I can open it. And it looks like that. Oh, so beautiful. I haven't used it yet, so I'm really excited to try it. So now that I've shown you the color story, let's just get into creating a look. I just went in with my P. Louise base and primed my eyes. I already went in with the hot pink color that Lisa picked, the one in my Mango Tango palette. the strawberry right here, and I used it as my blush. So that's one color down. So to start off, I'm going to go into the color Naomi chose, which is baby pink, and I'm going into Babycakes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to apply that all over my mobile lid. Also kind of just like setting my primer, but also as like my base shade for it as well. I don't often set my primer. I like the tackiness of the P. Louise base. I know a lot of people do. I mean, it's definitely, it's just your preference. I think some shadows definitely work better with tackier bases and some of them don't. This is such a light color, but it's so pretty. I think they still make it. I'm pretty sure they do. So I know I have not been very consistent at all with uploading videos, and I apologize. Colleen and consistency are two C's lately that have just not gone together. It's just been a busy time, and I can't force myself to do videos. Like if I'm not feeling it, if I'm busy and I'm tired, even if there's videos I want to shoot, if my mind isn't focused on doing it, I can't do it because my heart's not there. And these are things I love to do for fun, and I want my heart to be in it when I do it, if that makes any sense. So I do apologize. I also know I haven't been around as much watching people's videos. I've just been very busy. I've also had my head up my own butt with my own problems. Not problems, just being busy with myself. So yeah, there's that. I'm just a mess. So now that I've got the baby pink down, I think I'm gonna jump into the mid-tone orange that Andrea picked. So that's Mango from the Mango Tango palette. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. So I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing pretty well. I'm actually fully vaccinated now, so I'm really, really excited about that. The place I went to down in White Plains, which is about 20 minutes from me in New York, was so organized. It was so great. They just had everything. It was so streamlined and so put together. The lines weren't crazy long, and people were just, I think everyone was just kind of happy to be there. I think people were happy to get their vaccine, so everyone was in such good spirits and everything. So I had such a actually great experience getting a shot. I did, of course, do something stupid when I was going to get my second shot. They're like, oh, do you have your card from, you know, the card they give you the first time you get your shot, you know, that basically says you got it? And I was like, oh yeah, and I went to pull it out, and I had gotten coupons and I just shoved them in my wallet because I didn't know where to put them, and I dropped them all over the floor on the line going to get in. So that was fun. You just can't take me in public places. It's like, Colleen, your Stop and Shop coupon for Pepsi is not going to get you any faster, like online. So now I'm going to jump in to Andy's color, which was turquoise, and I'm still sticking with the Mango Tango, like I said earlier, and I'm going into the sky blue. And I'm just putting that on my mobile lid. Oh, one fun thing that I actually did was I got my tragus pierced right here. I was so excited. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I actually tried to do it last year during like the height of lockdown, and I bought like the needle and the professional kit and everything. I think I might have mentioned this in a video last year, but I can't remember. And I went to do it and I couldn't, because it made the pop sound and it freaked me out. So I couldn't do it. Like, I knew how to do it, but I couldn't do it. So then I ended up just re-piercing this one right here. But so then I went to a professional piercer and obviously got it done. And it was so much easier, so quick. Really didn't hurt that bad. I mean, it was a little tender, like the second, third day that I got it done. It was rather tender, but I mean, you just shoved like a 16 gauge needle through your cartilage. So, I mean, is it not going to be tender? Yeah, it's going to be tender. So, yeah, but it was fun. My sister-in-law, my future sister-in-law, my sister's fiance, she wanted to have her conch done. So when she came up last week, or well, it was 2 weeks ago now, we got our ears done and we got it done together. So it was really, really cool. Sisterly bonding experience. I love Laura, so I'm so excited that she's going to be a permanent member of the family. I mean, she practically is anyway. And then my sister just came for fun just to see us get our ears pierced. And now I'm going to go into the icy blue that Desi chose. And I'm going to use that on my finger. And I'm actually going to use that as my brow bone highlight. So like that. Oh, I love when that like picks up on the light like that. That's so cool. So I'm just taking some glitter glue and I'm going to apply the glitter glue over the turquoise color on my mobile lid. And I'm just going to let that get a little tacky. And now I'm going to go into that glitter color, the Space Age Nymph, and I'm going to apply that where I applied the glitter glue. So they're on just like that. They're also all over my shirt, so that's exciting. So off camera, I just went in with LA Girl's Neon Shockwave Liner in the color Electric on my waterline. I love the flakies, but they are so messy. I've never found a way, and I've tried multiple ways from multiple awesome suggestions from people to put them on, and they just still go everywhere. And they say the best way to put them on is with a flat brush on over glitter glue, and it just goes everywhere. I mean, before I was also set up really weird, like I was trying to lean forward and bring it up, and I ended up moving it over when I did my second eye. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go into that purple with the blue sparkle in it. That's the color Moon, and I'm going to put that under my lower lash line. That's the color that Teresa chose. My fur nieces, Bijou and Olive, are visiting this weekend. We're babysitting them. And they're so cute. I love them so much. But Bijou's such a little devil. She comes up here, and I'm not even lying, not even 2 minutes that she's here, all of a sudden I see her in the dining room, and she's eating a Girl Scout cookie. And I'm like, how did she get a Girl Scout cookie? They're up on this shelf in a package. But apparently they fell the other day, and nobody realized, like when my mom picked them up, nobody realized that 2 had fallen out of the package and like went behind something. and like a place like you wouldn't think, like, you know, when things fall and like something shoots out and you're like, how did it end up there? Well, 2 of them ended up there and she ate both of them. Because we got the one, like she ate the one and we're like, what the hell? And then Mom's like, she has another one. And I was like, of course she does. Of course she does. She's such a little devil. I love that little thing though. Her and my little Layla don't get along though. Bijou doesn't like cats. Layla doesn't mind dogs, it's Bijou. But I would never abandon Bijou because I love her. And now, just to finish everything up for my inner corner, I'm going to go into that yellow that I picked from Terramoons called Daybreak. So this is my finished look right here. I like it. I think it came together for the most part pretty well using all those colors. I think it was a lot of fun. I really loved the colors that we picked out this month. So it was a lot of fun. I think it's just like it's a very bright, fun look. It actually manages to go a little bit with my shirt that I'm wearing, which was not on purpose. I actually just wore this shirt because I really like it. And it doesn't have to be ironed, and I had a doctor's appointment early in the morning and I didn't feel like ironing. Yeah. So anyway, I just finished up with my lips. I just put on Essence Hollow Out Dewy Lip Shine, and I believe this is in Butterfly Flap. This is one of my favorite colors. It's such a pretty color right there. Yeah, so that is my look. I got all the colors on my eyes, and oh no, I got 7 out of the 8 colors on my eyes and 1 on my cheek, so they are all done. Yeah, it's a really fun look. I always love using the flakies. I think that they are so pretty. They might not have been a traditional glitter gen, so I apologize, but they are definitely glitter-like. Like, I mean, that's really sparkly. So excited. Oh my god, and I love it when I turn my head and there's just that shift of like the icy blue. I could like entertain myself with like sparkly eyeshadows and like shifting eyeshadows all day. I'm like so bad. There's like so many that are coming out too. And I have a lot of like shifting eyeshadows because they're just like my favorite. And I was so proud of myself. I actually clicked off, I think it was Terramoons it was Terramoons. They had put out a few new ones last week or 2 weeks ago, whenever it was. And I was like adding them to my cart. And then I'm sitting there and I'm like, these are beautiful, but you really don't need to spend the money. And I was so proud of myself. I clicked off the page and I haven't gone back. I have not gone back and bought anything. So that was a big step for me. So anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I get it. I know I am not one of the cool kids, but that's okay. And I still thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it. I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handle listed below in case you'd like to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course, we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!